Testing the Golf Club 2 recording levels with the Turtle Beach headset again. I think what I've concluded, actually Alex, we were texting and made me think of it, that maybe this dongle is only really affecting it when you plug the Xbox controller into it. And because I'm not doing that, it's just the game sound is what it is. Now it's funny because when I turn the game sound up, it gets louder in my headphones, but the microphone doesn't. Microphone doesn't change. Just the game sound changes. But that level, when I'm recording, like right now I got the game level maxed. I have it off now. I cannot hear it, and I'm sure that like right now the game level is off in my headset, but I guarantee that you can hear it now because I've done this before. What I was curious was, well, I'm going to turn, okay, right now the game level is off again. So what I want to do is just turn the level of the mic all the way up and leave it up for a while. This is all the way up. Now I'm turning it all the way down. Now it's all the way off. The mic level is all the way off. I don't hear my voice in the headphones at all. But I'm pretty sure, like I'm turning it all the way up again. It's all the way off again. I'm pretty sure that it's still the same. Let's try this is what really made the change in the microphone, was changing the levels here. Like right now I figured it seems like it's better at 90. If I bring it up to 100, it seems like the voice is too loud. I'm not sure what this microphone boost thing is. I did determine that down at 80 it's too low. Here we are at 80, and then I even brought it down to 70, and I already know that's too low. It's funny, like, well, here's 90. Here's 90 again right here. This is 90, we're at 90. We're at 90. Let's bring it up to 95. Here we are at 95. Now what does this sound like? Does this sound better at 95, or is it getting to be too loud again? Now here it is back at 100 again, which I'm pretty sure it was too loud. I thought it was too loud when I listened to it before. Let's bring it back down to 90, and we'll just leave it there for now. And I'll click OK. I'll click OK. And I'll stop this recording right now. Listen to it and see what it sounds like.